I take another hit of weed, eliminate the misery. Thinking of what they did to me, got me giving into these vices enticing. I like it, I'm lying, trying to hide it, denying the crisis. Something's missing from this puzzle, and I'm troubled to find a piece. Will I stumble upon my love or just fumble with my disease? Genuinely mentally ill, but I'm better when I'm left with the pill. This depression is a lesson that kills. Living a sentence relentless with my appeal. Yo, all we ever wanted was a family to trust. Surrounded by these demons and I'm fiending for the lust. Drowning in the liquor and I'm looking for the drugs. Don't nobody really wanna give a little love? Looking in the mirror and I don't know what to do. I think I see myself but then I look up and it's you.